Have you ever talked to someone for 5 minutes and then realized they were not who you thought they were? Watch what happens to Maya today. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps. Okay, let's go.
Too dark. Too bright. Too much. Oh, she looks like she knows what she's doing.
Excuse me. Hi. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hi. No problem.
I was wondering if you could help me. I have a job interview tomorrow and I need something to wear. I'm looking for a blazer. Maybe something in navy blue or dark green. Not too formal, but professional, you know?
Oh, sure. Let me think. What about something like this? This one has a nice cut. It's not too stiff. You could wear it with a white blouse or even a plain t-shirt, and it would still look put together.
Oh, I love that. And the color?
Navy blue works for almost anything. It's professional without being too serious. Kind of like smart casual, I guess.
Smart casual. I like that. What about this one?
It's nice, but the gold buttons might be a bit much for a job interview. It draws a lot of attention. I'd probably go with something simpler.
Right. Good point. Do you have anything without buttons? Or maybe a cardigan?
A cardigan could work, actually. If you want something a little softer, check the section over there. I think I saw some earlier.
Hold on. 2 phrases worth knowing. When she said the blazer looks put together, she meant polished and well-dressed. And smart casual? Not too formal, not too relaxed. The perfect middle ground. Okay, back to Maya. She has no idea what's coming.
Okay, so I have these 2. Which one do you think? Honestly, I'd go with the blazer. The cardigan is lovely, but for an interview, the blazer just gives you more confidence. You know what I mean? Yes, I totally know what you mean. I feel more serious in a blazer somehow. Exactly. And if the interview goes well and you get the job, then you can buy the cardigan too.
I love that logic. Okay, one more question. What about colors for the blouse underneath? Safe bet is always white or light gray. But if you want to add a little personality, a soft burgundy or dusty pink could be really nice with navy. Dusty pink. I wouldn't have thought of that. It's subtle, but it makes the outfit feel less corporate. You really know your stuff. How long have you been working here? I'm sorry? How long have you worked at this store? I don't work here.
What? I'm just shopping. Like you.
Oh my God, I am so sorry. You looked so confident and you were standing there and... No, don't apologize. I mean, I did just spend 5 minutes giving you fashion advice, so... Oh, I can't believe I did that. I'm mortified. Don't be. Honestly, it was kind of fun. I don't usually get to just talk about clothes with a stranger. I'm Maya, by the way. Diane. Well, Diane, thank you. Genuinely. That was actually really helpful. Good luck with the interview. Get the blazer. Get in the blazer.
Can I help you find anything today?
Already sorted, thanks.
Notice something? When Diane gave her opinion, she never said, "I think," even once. Instead, honestly, safe bet is always. You know what I mean? That's the difference between sounding like a textbook and sounding like a real person. Try one today. Now, let's talk about something very important. What to do when you make a social mistake in English. Did you see how Maya handled that? She didn't run away. She didn't over-explain. She just said, "I'm so sorry. I
can't believe I did that. I'm mortified. And that was enough. In English, a real apology is short, honest, and human. You don't need perfect words. You just need to mean it. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more real-life English stories like this one, subscribe so you never miss the next one. And tell me in the comments, have you ever talked to the wrong person by mistake? I'd love to read your story. See you in the next one.